Previously on Porchlight Gardener.
Y'all remember that kale? I had that kale growing all the way from last year sometime. They just came and swiped me. Alright, y'all, we ain't playing no more. Alright, y'all, quick video, y'all. I hope y'all can hear me. I ain't got my little thing in. You see this? Security device? It's true, y'all. They putting them on the meats. You see what it is, y'all. Look at that one. I guess that's not good enough, but the T-bones, yeah. Alright, y'all, just letting y'all know what it is. Well, y'all, what's going on? Porchlight here. You know, I'm out in my non-gardening clothes. So, just came out of BJ's, and actually, this is the first video I've done like this in a while, so, you know, it is what it is. But just came out of BJ's, and let's just say that it was a wild experience. You know, I was still able to grab some stuff that, you know, was fruitful, but prices going up. You know, but the security device got me because if people going out here stealing steaks, now they check you at the door, they check your stuff, you know, they look at your receipt, you know, sometimes they may even pat you down. I'm joking. Point that I'm making is, y'all, get it while you can, and look out for them deals. Porchlight out, y'all.